Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be sharing about how to change your virtual data room vendor. In the ever-evolving world of business, it is not uncommon for organizations to outgrow their virtual data room vendors as their needs change. You may find that your current video no longer meets your requirements. If you are considering changing your video vendor, there are a few key steps you should take to ensure a smooth and successful transition. Evaluate your needs. The first step is to carefully evaluate your current and future needs. What are the most important features and functionality for you? What are your security and compliance requirements? How much storage space do you need? What is your budget? By taking the time to clearly define your needs, you will be able to create a short list of potential video vendors that are a good fit for your organization. Compare video providers. Once you have a short list of potential video vendors, it is time to start comparing their features and functionality. Be sure to pay attention to the following. Security features. What security measures does the video provider have to place? Are they SOC 2 compliant? So they offer features such as encryption, watermarking, and access controls. Compliance features. Does the video provider offer features that help you to meet your compliance obligations? For example, do they offer features that for tracking user activity and generating reports? User experiences. Is the video user friendly? It is easy to navigate. Does it offer features such as full text search and redaction? Customer support. What kind of customer support does the video provider offer? Do they have 24/7 support? Do they offer custom support in multiple languages? Pricing. What is the pricing model for the video? Are there any hidden fees? Select a new video vendor. Once you have compared video providers, it is time to select a new vendor. Be sure to choose a vendor that meets your needs and offers the features and functionality that are important to you. Migrate your data. Once you have selected a new video vendor, you will need to migrate your data from your old video to the new one. This can be a time-consuming process, so it is important to plan ahead. Be sure to work with your new video vendor to develop a migration plan. This plan should include a timeline for the migration as well as a list of the steps that will be involved. Notify your users. That's all for today. Hope you understand the topic. Thank you so much everyone, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.